use the word wilderness to define places untouched by human hands. But the truth is, the whole earth is wild, and our cities are just temporary, vulnerable pockets of artificial order. Nature is the default state, always waiting to seep back in, dissolving our boundaries with rain and roots. The struggle to maintain a cityscape is the struggle to deny the inevitable. When we finally depart, the wild will simply reclaim its own, and the boundary between city and forest will disappear. The planet is always patient, always waiting for the temporary guest to leave.